Hello, I am Miquel Puertas, and well, this is a video that we sent to the Lippmann Miliband Trust. We are members of the Donetsk National Technical University. Today is 27, no? Or no?
24.
Sorry, 24 of January of 2017. And we are applying for we need money for implementing here the project that is organizing a summer university here in Donetsk People Republic. And then, well, you can see the project already because it's attached to this together with this video. And then, well, we are a group of professors and also volunteers, students, that are here in the office of the international office of Donetsk National Technical University. And this project is going to be good for our students and also for the civil society that is here in Donetsk. And also it's good for creating partnership with other institutions from abroad. And then we would like we ask you to consider our project. That is a project, progressive project, open to we are going to open several debates about social issues and also about the conflict that we are living here in Donetsk. We will analyze also globalism and anti-globalism, and we will develop the critical thinking of all the people that are going to participate in our project, providing them with tools for understanding the political events that for understanding the world. And here I want to introduce you some people. Here is Oleg. Oleg, just tell something to the Lippmann Miliband Trust. Who are you and what do you think about everything?
My name is Oleg. I'm a student of Donetsk National Technical University, and I study international economics here in Donetsk. I guess that we have enough experience, we have infrastructure to create and to manage this summer school in Donetsk. It will be interesting for people from abroad to see Donetsk to be in the center of all these global processes, and it will be also interesting and to get experience for people from there, because there are a lot of students who know English. There are a lot of professionals who understand those processes. It's a good platform, good place to discuss and to create new meanings, new senses.
Oleg is a student here. He's going to participate in the implementation process and in all the design of this project. And then I asked him also to include in the project some other students that they maybe are able to be part of this team, the team that the volunteers that we are trying to implement this summer school. We are here one of our teachers, that is François, that he's from France, and he's the he's a French teacher here in Donetsk National Technical University. He's coming from Champagne, no?
That's right, yes.
And then, do you want to tell something to our colleagues of the Lippmann Miliband Trust in Britain?
I think it's important to get interested in this project because it's happening in one of the key points and hotspots of the contemporary world and contemporary news. As far it might be seen as the junction point, hence the conflict, a junction point between the European world and the Slavic world, and these two needs to get again together and grow better understanding of each other.
So François is going also to participate in this project, and this project we will use as a language will be the English, but also French will be included. I know we have a lot of French people or French-speaking people interested already in the Donbass International Summer School. They contact us already. And then François will be somehow the responsible for those French people that are going to participate with us. And then he's going to, I'm sure he's going to be a very important, a key person in this project that we are right now starting. And here we have one Spaniard that also is Antonio, Antonio from Sevilla. Do you want to tell something to this trust or foundation, the Lippmann Miliband Trust from Britain? What do you think is important? Why do you like this idea of the Donbass International Summer School? Do you think that is important for us?
It's so important because now it's a good moment to show the world this new country is open for the foreign people who want to know this culture and can in the same time can to study here with us about Russian language or our culture. In the same time can to show this country now live with one difficult war, but we can to do so many project together. I think this is good moment, good project for this country.
You consider yourself a progressive person, a progressive leftist man. Like I tell you because the Lippmann Miliband Trust in the application form say that they support progressive causes.
I know.
And then it's a socialist fund, And then, well, we are going to include some seminars based on probably will include the readings of Sweezy, Paul Sweezy. We are going to analyze the figure and the work of Paul Sweezy. This is a very famous American economist from Harvard University. That he developed Marx ideas in Harvard University, and he suffered repression in times of McCarthy. And he later created the Monthly Review. That is one of the most important magazines in left-wing magazine, scientific magazine in the United States. And then is a very important person, Paul Sweezy. He was an economist, traditional economist, but he took he by himself developed Karl Marx took some ideas of Karl Marx into the doing an economic analysis. So we are also we include in part of this one seminar focused on some readings, reading or rereading of Paul Sweezy. Professor Paul Sweezy. And then the thing is that we want to have here the last one is Professor Sura, Sergei Sura, that he is the head of the International Department of Donetsk National Technical University, and actually he is responsible of everything here, because no, come on, I want to tell you that Professor, I am very grateful, because Professor Sura took me from I was in Lithuania, living in Lithuania for many years, working there, and let's say that I start to write in my blog or as a blogger, information on my point of view about the Ukrainian conflict and against the Maidan and the fascists in Kiev, and then I had some problems in Lithuania. I had to leave Lithuania because the President Grybauskaitė, the President of Lithuania, was supporting the Maidan, and me, I was against the Maidan. I had really problems there with the security services, and I had to leave my position of teacher there. I was in other university, and then he bring me here for developing projects. One of my tasks here is try to develop international projects. This is the thing that I try to do with my limitation. But anyway, I try to do all my best. And then Sergei is a person that is working here for many years in Donetsk. He's very proud of this institution. It's the older institution in the Donbass, with a long history, with a good reputation. This and also, well, this university unfortunately was 2 years ago was bombed by the Maidan battalions. No, were attacking this university with students and teachers inside. And this is something that the Littman Miliband Trust, they should know. This university was well, bombed, no, and now it's blocked. It's blocked by the European Union. Just simply there is a blockade. We cannot access to funds, international funds, European funds, because this well, is not recognized. Let's say the Donetsk People Republic is not recognized, but people still are living here. Teachers still are working here. Students still are studying here. How you are not going to recognize those people? How are you not going to recognize the work of the teachers, professors that are here with a lot of curriculums, a lot of diplomas? Look, this, you know, Sergei have a lot of diplomas. So, Sergei, just tell something to this fund, to the Littman Miliband Trust, that we are asking for about 2,000 pounds for our project, the project of organizing a summer school here in Donetsk. Yes, you are free. You can tell whatever you want.
Thank you very much. I'd like to tell I'm very thankful for everybody who was here or not here, our international friends who are coming to us in difficult situation to help in order to create new society. I think so. Dear friends, we are very thankful, really, because real friend we can see only in difficult situation. Unfortunately, the war is not over. It was because we applied for this fund, because we have different, we have very good experience in getting fund, and getting is very successful. Before the war, we have 8 projects, the level of Tempus or Erasmus Mundus. Mm-hmm. It's well-known European projects, mm-hmm. and we have done most of them. 2 of them is not finished now, but we cannot do it because of the war. Mm. And because we apply for the British funds, yeah, I'd like to inform you, we have very good relation with British Council. Mm. For example, a REAP project is a regional academic exchange program. We have done very successful with Portsmouth University. Mm-hmm. Moreover, we have our doctors from this university, Terry Oliver. It is picture, we can put it in our hall. So, we have very good experience in getting different funds, different grants, very successful. So, I hope this grant will be done successful too. We are going through our common way and try to build a new society. As for me, my point of view, it is brotherhood of man. And all our people on the earth, unfortunately, try to conquest each other. But we need to opposite movement in order to cooperate, because in cooperation we have benefit, both of sides get benefit. And when we try to conquest each other, only one, maybe, or maybe both of side will be destroyed sometimes. And whole the world we have very big risks, because atomic weapons, etc., are growing, scientific research is growing, but people are not changed. Mm-hmm. And critical thinking is very important for us, because very many people, our point of view is, very many people don't be able to to make this critical thinking. It's easy, it's easier to lead it in another way, in wrong way, in order to the corner. It's no decision.
Is easier getting a diploma than to develop critical thinking?
Yeah, critical thinking is very important for us. It's so difficult problems. It's internalization. It's try to help new society. It's help in our common way. We have read very careful your side. It's we agree for most proposal you represent, and hope all together we get our common victory.
Okay. Well, thank you. So, just simply, we are more people involved, but this is a small team, no? That we are starting now to develop the international summer school, and we will ask you to help us. This morning we ask you is very important for us because here, as a consequence of the blockade, there is no money. So, you help us will be wonderful. And also, you will be also contributing, no, to the ideas of Miliband, no? Professor Miliband, as an economist that I personally respect. Thank you, and just read carefully the application form. And if you have some questions, you can ask to our referee, no, this professor of University of Liverpool, and or also ask me directly. No, I am the applicant, no? Miquel Puertas from Barcelona, but working here and now living here in Donetsk. Thank you.